How you doing, folks? Well, if you ever wanted to know how to turn the grey plastics black again on one of your older cars, here's a trick that might work for you. So basically all you need is a blowtorch. This is a chunky old Ford Transit Connect with very grey looking bumpers. Take a blowtorch and the important thing is to make sure you don't stay in one area for any length of time, because otherwise you're going to burn the plastic. The little glass hole with the blowtorch. The important thing to remember is not to stay in one place for any great amount of time, because you don't want to melt the plastic or deform it. And you certainly don't want to burn the paint beside it. You can see how well that's coming up. And it's a lasting finish. You know, this isn't going to turn white again tomorrow. Well, I think that turned out pretty well, actually. So, yeah, literally took about 10 minutes. You just have to be very careful not to overdo it with the heat. Just bare minimum of heat and move quickly. And obviously exercise caution, and you do this at your own risk, folks. So if you make a mess of it or you damage your car, it's your own responsibility. But thanks very much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in a future video.